Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word platinum. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She received a platinum award for selling the most products in her company. Platinum is a precious metal that is silvery white in color, highly valued for its rarity and used in jewelry, electronics, and as an investment. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.